Hi, my name is Justin. I am the Waste to Wealth Manager here at Soneva in the Maldives, and we're on the Eco Centre, and this is where we bridge the gap, where we take the waste or perceived waste and put it into wealth. And one of the first places we start with that is food and soil, and that link between the two. So with all the food waste we get, about 90% of all solid waste that we get in the Eco Centre we recycle or reuse in some way. And food is a very big part of that. What we do is we provide our own, or produce our own compost, and that compost goes back into the ground here for growing better quality fruits and vegetables. It also allows us to not have to buy in so much, so we reduce the carbon footprint. We don't have to ship things in from a long distance as much. And so a lot of leafy greens that we're producing here. So we see things here as a resource. The glass is half full here, not half empty. Everything we have we can reuse in some way, or 90% of it. One of the other things that we do is we look at what we already have, and in permaculture, and the essence of Soneva is slow. So sustainable, local, organic, and with that we look at coconuts. So everything about a coconut is pH neutral. So we use coconuts here. We produce our own coconut oil for the spas. We produce coconut oil for the kitchens, for the chefs, and we also put coconut through a process where we provide our own cocoa peat, which can go back into the soil, and also the coconut fibre, which is the mulch that sits on top of the vegetable beds to stop the heat from drying out the soil and keeping it moisture in. So multifunctionality from the thing that we have locally, which is the coconut. Everything about the coconut is pH neutral, so it's good for us inside, but it's also good for us outside back in the garden.